Do you ever find yourself staring blankly at a piece of paper, wondering what on earth you're going to plan to cook for your family for the week? I've been there more times than I can count. That's why I love watching these what we ate types of videos. They're great for inspiration. Well, that, and I'm just curious about what other people cook for their family. Today I'm going to share 5 meals that I cooked for my family that we ate over the course of about a week. Now, full disclosure, we definitely had takeout and ramen between some of these meals, but that's not the point of this video. You don't need inspiration for what takeout to get. Okay, let's jump in and I'll show you the meals that I cooked.
Meal number 1 was chicken and coconut curry soup. The recipe for this is on my blog. I served it over rice, but you can serve it by itself as well. I also served it with sliced jalapenos, cilantro, chipped coconut, and lime wedges. Meal number 2 was pasta. I like to use this einkorn pasta from Jovial. I boiled it up and mixed in some sliced Italian sausages, cherry tomatoes, and feta cheese. Normally I add spinach or arugula as well, but I completely forgot to buy it, so I added some dried basil instead. This meal is so easy and it's one of our all-time favorites. Meal number 3 was Instant Pot chicken thighs. I cooked them on manual for about 45 minutes, then slow released for 10 minutes. I served them with boiled potatoes, green beans, and sourdough dinner rolls. Of course, I put loads of grass-fed butter on top of everything. Meal number 4 was sushi bowls. I started with a bowl of seasoned rice and added avocado, seaweed snacks, carrot slices, cream cheese, and salmon. Wasabi, pickled ginger, and sriracha mayo would have been nice as well, but I couldn't be bothered that night. Meal number 5 was another family favorite, biscuits and gravy. I made einkorn biscuits, then crumbled them up, and ladled some sausage gravy on top. I served it with some boiled peas and loads of butter.
So those are 5 meals that we ate. I hope this gave you some inspiration for meals to cook for your own family. And let me know if you'd like to see a more informal what we ate with all of the takeout meals included. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more food inspiration. Thanks so much for watching.